and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. 6 MLAs to take oath in second phase of cabinet formation on Sunday. Distribution of remaining one portfolio by April end. Sixteen students of a Balwadi at Khola suffer food poisoning. All students referred to Hospicio Hospital. Ladus were prepared in the Balwadi itself. Zenito Cardozo alleges police of falsely implicating him in Apna Ghar case. Denies involvement, blames police for intelligence failure. Students of Ayurvedic college show readiness to work in rural areas. CM assures them posting in government hospitals. And Pankaj Advani fends off Prapud in a classic 9-frame Asian billiards semi-final clash. One of my best wins ever, says 7-time world champion. Highlands Thawat makes easy work of Devendra Joshi in other semi-final. And now the news in detail. Milind Naik, Deepak Dhawlikar, Dilip Parulekar, Ramesh Tawadkar, Mahadev Naik and Avirtano Furtado would take oath for 6 cabinet berths in the second phase of cabinet formation on Sunday. The distribution of remaining one portfolio would be decided by April end. Parikar said that he would give prominent positions to those who do not get cabinet berths.
Hello, Sozan. Mahadev Milind. I have to go in order of yes, Nama Fakta. Ramesh, Dilip, Avirtanan Junior Dhawlikar. No comments. हांवें जितले सांगले इतलेच नांव आहे. उरलेलो कित्याक तुका जाय तो उरलेलो हांव जेन्ना पळय डिसायड करतलो तेन्ना सांगता. ना ना पोर्टफोलियो मंगळारा आसा. नाही तो मागीर केन्ना तरी मंथ एंडाक बी केन्ना तरी करतले. Tentatively end of April. I have many restrictions of including availability of His Excellency. These are my limitations. I can't. He has to be available. So probably this month end.
But तुमची चडशी मिनिस्ट्री भारतीयान गेल्या मग अशें जावचें ना काँग्रेस येयली की सालसेट आनी बीजेपी येयली की भारतीय तशें बी जावचें ना म्हणून तशें बी तुजे आरोप जाता.
म्हजे कडेन सालसेतांतले 2 आमदार 3 आमदार आसा तातले एक म्हजो आसा 2 इंडिपेंडंट आसा हांवें तातले हातून सेंट्रलाक आशिल्लो मनीस चूज केला म्हणजे सालसेतीन आनीक कोण दीत जाल्यार मागीर हांव आनीकूय दिता न्ही रे शेवटी आमदार आसचे पडटा न्ही आमचे काँग्रेसीचे फक्त 2-3 तालुक्यान आशिल्ले आमचे जवळ जवळ सगळ्या तालुक्यान आमी कितें ना कितें तरी दिलां आनी ज्या जाग्यार कमी पडला पळय थंय आमी योग्य पोजिशन दितले हाका तांकां सगळे कडेन मिनिस्टर गेले 12 तालुके आहा आनी 12च मिनिस्टर एलावड आहा तूंच म्हाका सांग कशें इक्वेशन जुळोवपाचें 12 मिनिस्ट्री आहा टोटल कॅबिनेट आनी 12च मिनिस्टर एलावड आहा सो प्रत्येक तालुक्याक एक वांटून घालचो पडलो म्हाका तशें जायना न्ही तें.
Distribution of likely portfolios are Ramesh Tawadkar Sports and ST Welfare, Deepak Dhawlikar Transport, Avirtan Furtado not yet decided, Mahadev Naik Cooperative, Dilip Parulekar Power, Milind Naik Industries. As per the sources, remaining 12th cabinet berth is reserved for late Matani's wife Alina Saldana. This cabinet berth will be filled at the end of April. Sources also informed that current PWD and Transport Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar will have to leave one of his portfolios for his brother. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Devendra Gaonkar.
16 children were hospitalized on Saturday due to food poisoning. Students of a Balwadi at Kodai in Khola fell ill after consuming a ladu prepared in the Balwadi itself. The children were immediately shifted to Hospicio Hospital for further medical treatment.
There are about 18 students studying in the Balwadi. On Saturday, 2 were absent. There is 1 teacher and a worker in the Balwadi. They prepare food and midday meal for the students. However, 16 students who were present in the Balwadi on Saturday fell ill. They had eaten laddu prepared by the teacher and helper of the Balwadi. The students were immediately shifted to Concon Health Center, who were later referred to Hospicio Hospital in Madgaon. It is also known that the Balwadi gets huge stock of cooking stuff which gets spoiled after some days. The stock received by the Balwadi is not immediately consumed.
Actually, I गेला की मार्गासून जसं म्हाका एसीचे फोन केले एसीचे भुरगे उलटी जाता म्हणून.
तुझे भुरगे आशिल्ले?
म्हणजे भावाचे चले आसले. म्हणजे हांव थिंग गेलो पळयलें चले पळय तेचे पळयलें आमचे शेजाराचे तेचे पळय. ते एकटो उलटी करता मागीर दुसरे उलटी करपाक लागले. म्हाका ही आमची हिंगा 6 जाण भुरगे आसले. 6 जाणां घरा कडेन गेलो आनी चालले. 6 जाण उलटी करपाक लागले. मागीर हांवें थंयच्या काळार बालवाडीन गेलो. बालवाडीन मेळ्ळो आमकां बालवाडी बाय टिचर म्हळ्यार अशें जाता भुरगे अशीं उलटी जाता कितें प्रॉब्लम कितें खावपाक ते म्हणपाक लागले आमी लाडू आनी कितें तरी चिकी दिलें म्हणपाक लागले. थिंगच्यान गेलो तेमचे भुरग्यांक विचारलो तेमचे म्हणपाक सगळे भुरगे उलटी जावन हें करता कित्याक जाम जालें.
पूण जालें एग्जॅक्ट कितें लाडू हाडले त्या लोकांक
चिकी तांणी तांची जे पळय ऑफिसां ICDS ते तांकां म्हयन्याचो जावं 5 दिसाचो कोटा व्हरून ते बालवाडी पावयता.
कितें कितें अशें दुबाव व्यक्त करता पेरंट कितें म्हणटा
पेरंट एकाले आतां तूं ते सिजन आसतना पाल बील कितें पडपाक शकता एक अदमास असो कितें तरी नाजाल्यार जावपाक शकना न्ही तें
हाल्लेशें म्हणटा तांकां मिड डे मिलां दिल्ली मिड डे मिलां दितकच मागीर सांजची दनपार घरा वतरेच तांकां वॉमिटींग जावपाक लागलें. चडशे जाणां वॉमिटींग जाता आनी एकट्या वॉमिटींग जालें हांगा येतरी आनी एकट्या आसता लूज मोशन जालें.
अंगणवाडी इज नॉट नो केस ऑफ दीस इज फर्स्ट केस प्रोबेबली. तांच्यांनी अजून बरें कॉशन हें करता कॉशन सांबाळूंक जाय न्ही की धापपाक बी विसरला आसतना पटकन त्याचा कितें पडलें बी अशें जावंक शकता.
A reporter in Concon, Babesh Porkar.
Zenito Cardozo, who was earlier arrested in the Apna Ghar case, claimed that he was falsely implicated in the case just on presumptions. Zenito has denied any involvement in the case and blamed police for intelligence failure.
Zenito has been alleged of his involvement in Apna Ghar case. He is alleged of fetching juvenile delinquents from Apna Ghar to commit thefts at various places. It was also known that these criminal activities were going on under the nose of Apna Ghar staff members. Zenito was then arrested by the Porvorim police. Zenito has alleged that he is falsely implicated in the case.
SP आपयला म्हणून सांगता आमले कित्याक आपयला तो म्हणटा आमकां खबर ना SP तुका आपोवंक लायला म्हणून आमले सांगा तरी म्हणले कितें केला ना आमकां कांय खबर ना म्हणून आलो आमकां SPन सांगला की तुका हाडून बसय म्हणून मेळपाक जाय म्हणून आमले तर कितें जालां कांयच सांगना कित्याक अरेस्ट करता काय म्हणून म्हणल्यार कित्याक आपयला कित्याक बसयता काय म्हणून मागीर रातची म्हणून म्हाजी भयण आनी म्हाजी आंटी येयली थिंगा मागीर काडले वच म्हणा दुसरे दिसा यो सकाळी दुसरे दिसा सकाळी गेल्यार थिंगा बसयता ना म्हणटा राव SP येवपाक जा SP येवपाक जा आनी आतां कितें आतां म्हाका बरलेले कडेन एक चोरेचे केसींनी घाल्ला तेज्यान म्हाका कांय खबर नासतना.
Counsel for Zenito said that police are trapping Zenito to hide the intelligence failure of the department.
My client has been implicated and it appears that this has been done in order to cover up the failure of the police and probably to safeguard someone's interest. Now it is for the investigating officers to go deeper in the crime. The accused are in their custody and they need to find out the real person behind this instead of saying that we have unearthed a big crime and we have arrested a big criminal and therefore the matter stands closed.
On the other side, Zenito's sister Cynthia Cardoso informed that they will file a defamation case against the SP of North Goa, Vijay Singh.
तिने फाईल करताना ताका अरेस्ट केला आणि अपना घराच्या केसीन घातला सद्याक तो आतां हिरो कहो जाला अपना घर एक पिक्चर कहें जाला तें आनी आमचो डायरेक्टर आनी प्रोड्युसर SP विजय सिंग आनी तितूंतलो हिरो भाव आनी ते हावसफुल चलता पिक्चर तें इतलें सांगपाचें.
However, when we contacted Vijay Singh, he refused to comment on the issue. Our video journalist Sushant Paul and Ravinder Dalvi.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.